Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have this advent calendar, the survival kits, and it came separate. This thing here was separate, so it came with a little bag here. I'll just show you guys the bag first. It looks like it's got just a little pouchy bag, so you can put all the items that are gonna be in here in there. So let's see what this looks like here. So it opens up, and we have all of our days in there. I'm gonna see if there's a way to cheat and just open up the whole thing. And it looks like there might be here. If I can get this thing off without messing it up too much. Aha, I did magically. There we go. So now we have our access to it all. So let's just go through all the items here. I'll just kind of put it down here and show you guys what we've got. We have a rope. So there's that. We have, what is this? Oh, it looks like it's going to be a little flashlight. Looks like we're going to need a battery for that, or maybe it's just not screwed in. Now we're going to need a battery for that flashlight. We have like one of those bracelets that has that paracord rope or whatever in it. We have, there's a lot of stuff in here. Okay, we have a emergency tool like a screwdriver. It's got a Phillips and a regular and a little keychain. We have one of those saws that you can kind of put on your fingers and back and forth. We've got, I'm going to guess this is like a fire starter rope maybe. We have looks like flint and steel probably is what that is. A knife blade, can opener, spoon apparatus, so you have a whole thing there. Got a bunch of carabiners here with the little screw-on tops on the carabiners. Those are great. We have another little hook thing here, like that. I'm not sure what that is. It looks like maybe a water bottle would fit in there, so you could have it connected to your belt. We have fishing line, which kind of floating in there. We have, let's see, did we go through this? What is this? Oh, a whistle. I think it's a whistle. Oop, I don't want to blow it. I'm in an apartment. We have a survival kind of pen. So it's got the little glass breaking tip on the end and all the little parts there. And it looks like it's just a regular pen as well. Here's another one of those little ropes. We have this. Looks like some sort of an extender thing. Not sure exactly what that is. Probably other things can connect onto it from here as well. I don't know what this is. This is like a ring with pokey things. Maybe you could put that on and jam somebody with it. We have, oh, this is probably a fishing lure. A little gooey thing. Oh yeah, and here's a fishing hook. Wait, one day all you're getting is a fishing hook? That's going to be a thrilling day. Okay, we have another whistle, a metal whistle this time. A bunch of safety pins. That'll be another thrilling day. Another little paracord kind of thing, but it's got carabiners on either end of it. That's nice. We have a emergency blanket. Those are actually good. And it looks like the last thing here is going to be this card. So I don't know if that's the last day or not. Let me see. How does it work on there? Day 21, it looks like. So then you get this card, and look at that. Inside of there, we have all of these different functions, and it says what these are: multi-purpose pocket survival tool. So those are all the different functions you get from it. So that's pretty cool. So it's a nice whole advent kit of stuff that I did not put back in there very well, but I'll be able to seal it back up and use this for this year. So very cool. Nice little setup. Totally cool. Thumbs up for sure.